In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Patreon. Whether you're supporting your favorite artist, writer, or any other kind of creator, making sure your payment process is smooth and hassle-free is key. Let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First things first, you need to log into your Patreon account. Head over to Patreon and make sure you're signed in. If you're not already, enter your email and password to access your account. It's straightforward, but it's always a good idea to ensure you're using the correct login details to avoid any unnecessary hiccups. Once you're in, your next stop is the Settings menu. You'll find this option conveniently located in your account dashboard. Just click on your profile icon and a drop-down menu should appear. From there, select Settings to proceed to the more intricate aspects of managing your account. The next step takes you to Billing and Payouts. This section is where you'll handle everything related to your finances on Patreon. It's vital to familiarize yourself with this section if you plan to support creators regularly. This is essentially your hub for managing payment details and ensuring that your contributions go through seamlessly. From here, it's time to add your payment method and choose your preferred option. Patreon offers a variety of payment methods to suit your preference. Whether you prefer using a credit card, debit card, or something digital like PayPal, you're covered. Just click Add Payment Method and you'll be on your way. Now you have the option to enter your card details or log into your PayPal account. For those opting for card payments, carefully enter your card number, expiration date, and CVC. Double check to avoid errors that could cause payment issues later. If you're choosing PayPal, simply follow the prompts to log in securely. Remember, security is paramount, so ensure you're doing this over a secure connection. Once your information is in, your payment method is set up, you're ready to go. You can now proceed to support creators with ease. This setup ensures you can swiftly make payments whenever you decide to pledge support without having to re-enter details each time. It's worth noting that Patreon supports a diverse range of payment methods, which certainly can be a convenience for many. Besides credit and debit cards and PayPal, you also have the option of using Apple Pay and Venmo, providing flexibility depending on what suits you best. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to pay on Patreon. So go ahead and support the talents and projects you're passionate about. With these steps, you're equipped to make the most of Patreon and contribute to the creative community effortlessly. Thanks for joining me and happy supporting.